In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner image on a collection page in Shopify. We'll go step by step, starting from your Shopify dashboard, and by the end, you'll have a collection page with a nice professional banner image showing at the top. First, from your Shopify dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Products and click on it. When you do, a few more options will appear underneath. From those, click on Collections. This will open a list of all the collections in your store. Take a moment to find the collection you want to update, then click on its name to open the collection editor. Now that you're inside that collections editor, look over to the right-hand sidebar. You should see a section labeled Image. This is where you'll add the banner image that will be used for this collection. Click on Add Image. A pop-up will open where you can either upload a new image from your computer or select one that's already in your library. Choose the image you want to use as your banner, then click Done in the bottom right corner of that pop-up. Make sure you click Save at the top of the page near the search bar so that the image is actually applied to the collection. Next, we need to make sure this image is actually displayed as a banner in your online store. Go back to the left-hand menu and click on Online Store. This will show your themes list with your current theme at the very top. On that active theme, click Edit Theme or Customize depending on what you see. This opens the theme editor. At the top of the screen, you'll see a page selector, which is usually set to Home Page by default. Click on that selector. From the drop-down menu, choose Collections and then select Default Collection. This tells Shopify you want to edit the layout for your collection pages. On the left side of the theme editor, you'll see the list of sections for this template. Look for a section called Collection Banner under the template area and click it to open its settings. Inside these settings, find the option labeled Image and toggle it on. This tells Shopify to use the collection image you added earlier as the banner. Look at the preview on the right side of the screen. You should now see the banner image displayed at the top of your collection page. If everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner to publish your changes.